Hello everyone and welcome back. News headlines in English for 25th of January. And first of all, national news. Amul cut milk prices for 1 litre packs across India. Adani Group said Sri Lanka wind power projects not cancelled. Report denied. After Uber, Ola denied implementing phone modal based rates in India. Mahakumbh, an auspicious chance to serve lakhs of devotees, Gautam Adani. High Court refused to call special Delhi Assembly session to discuss CAG report. Rupees fall due to dollars rise. Intervention can harm exports, ex-RBI governor. International news. US arrested over 500 illegal immigrants, deports hundreds using military aircraft. Trump banned creation of a digital dollar to protect Americans. Fire hit California frets over Donald Trump's funding threats. Russian cyber criminal exploit Microsoft Teams to hack into UK computers, a report said. Now some sports news. Novak Djokovic out of Australian Open 2025 retired mid-match due to injury. England announced playing 11th for second T20 International versus India, make one change. Jay Uso is set to face the ring general for the World Heavyweight Championship. News related to business. CNN plan to lay off over 200 employees amid attempt to modernize business. Sensex gained 282 points in early trade. Nifty goes up by 86. Singapore court approved Waziric's financial restructuring plan. Creditors to vote next. And that's all in news. Thank you.